Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and decorate a table for one. Come on with me, guys. Alright, so the tablecloth was a thrifted item, and then that runner, which is absolutely beautiful, that came from Dollar General. The candle and the vase that I used to do that little floral arrangement came from the Dollar Tree. So this dinner plate here was a thrifted item from the Goodwill. Now isn't this an absolutely gorgeous plate? It happens to be a Ralph Lauren. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. I wanted to go ahead and do one of those roses with the napkins, so I did that with the pink one, and then I went ahead and added the one that I'm going to use on the side. So both of those napkins were thrifted. Now the utensils came from Party City, and look at this glassware. So I actually thrifted these. They're from Pioneer Woman, I believe from Walmart, but I thrifted these at the Goodwill. So I got them at an awesome price, and they're gorgeous. They're like a pink iridescent. Love it. I'm absolutely loving this tablescape for one, and I hope that you agree. So let's head on over to the reveal. This is so pretty, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.